Today I thought I'll talk to you about the simplest way to get started with meditation. But when I was thinking I would do that, I thought, why do that? Instead of talking about how to get started, why not just actually get you started with meditation? So here is what we will do. Let me today guide you through a live meditation right now. No preparation required, nothing to be done. Just follow what I ask you to do. As best as you can, don't judge yourself. Are you ready? Let's do this. If you're sitting somewhere, just stay seated wherever you are. Don't have to change your place, don't have to find a special place or special posture. Just sit comfortably. If you're sitting on a chair, perfectly fine. Sitting on a sofa or a couch, that's fine. Sitting on the floor, that's okay. You want to take back support? You can do that as well. Are you ready? Okay. Now what you do is just keep your upper body a little bit straight, not stiff. And now gently close your eyes. Just close your eyelids. Don't squeeze the eyes, just gently close. Behind the eyelids, let your eyes just relax. If you feel any tension in your face or in the eyes, just relax them. Sometimes in our mind there'll be a lot of thoughts, worries, things going on. If that is happening, don't worry. Just try to disengage from those thoughts if possible. Let your body relax, but stay alert. Now, let's take a few nice, slow, deep breaths. We will breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Let's get started. Deep breath in and breathe out. Just take a few more slow, nice, long, deep breaths on your own, please. Keep doing the deep breathing. Just the gentle, slow out breaths and in breaths. Now, just allow your breathing to become normal. No more deep breathing required. Just the normal, everyday breathing. And just notice how it feels when you breathe in and how it feels when you breathe out. Just notice when you breathe in, the sensations of the in-breath. You might observe some sensations in the nostrils or the throat or the lungs, maybe the stomach rising and falling. You'll observe the sensations also when you breathe out. Just notice where the sensations are the strongest. Wherever you find the easiest to observe your breath, just observe those sensations. And now, every time you breathe in your mind, just note that you're breathing in. When you breathe out, just observe that you're breathing out. Don't have to verbalize it, don't have to say in words, breathing in or breathing out, just observe it. Notice when you're breathing in and notice when you're breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out. Just the normal, natural breathing. Now, I'll give you a small task. After every out-breath, in your mind, silently count. After the next out-breath now, in your mind, silently count 1. The breath after that, count 2. So count after each breath up to 10, and then again start the counting from 1. So we count in cycles of 1 to 10 breaths and repeat it. Breathe in, breathe out, count. We're not doing anything, we're not exerting. We're just observing our breath and counting after each out breath. Thoughts and distractions come. Don't worry about it, it's very natural. Just focus on the breath. Don't try to push the thoughts away. They will go away on their own. Just focus more deeply on the breath. Breathe in, breathe out, count. Sometimes you will find that your mind will let go of the breathing and may totally get caught up in thoughts and distractions. And you will realize it only after some time. So whenever you realize, just note the distracting thought and gently let go, and without any self-blame, without feeling bad about it, just come back to the breath again. Start observing the breath and start counting again from 1. Do this as often as you get distracted. Don't feel bad about it. Just keep observing the breath, each breath at a time. Breathe in, breathe out, count. Your mind may wander again and again. Don't get frustrated. Just keep coming back to the breath again and again. Now, you may let go the focus on the breath, and also you can stop the counting. Just become aware of your body, become aware of your surroundings. And now, taking your own time, as and when you're comfortable, very gently, you may open your eyes. So that was it. That was a very simple, straightforward meditation. So if you followed me in this video, you already did meditation. Now, obviously, this might not have been easy. Your mind may have drifted, you may have felt some impatience, maybe you might have felt, but this is supposed to feel something special. It's not feeling that way. All those are mistaken notions. Meditation is about taking our attention and giving it to one thing, in this case, to our breath. And this is how we build it. So you have already gotten started, and now the only thing you have to do is you have to do it again and again, maybe do it for longer periods, obviously. Fix a time during the day when you do it. In fact, at HabitStrong, at my startup, we run morning boot camps at 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the morning, where actually we do this live, obviously for a much longer period. So there are many, many ways to inculcate this practice, but absolutely make it part of your daily life. I can assure you, this will really help you. It'll make you happier. It'll make you less stressed. It'll improve your life in every single way. Once again, thank you very much for listening. Thank you. Bye-bye.